This is the most beginner-friendly wig I have ever owned. Yes, I didn't do this. It came out of the box just like this. Keep watching for my full review on this AliPearl wig. You don't want to miss it. Hey y'all, welcome back to Keesee's World. It's your girl Keesee with another wig review. Today I am reviewing a wig from AliPearl. So it comes with wig caps, an AliPearl headband to lay down, well it's not a headband, but you know, to lay the wig down. One of these edge brushes and combs. Cute little compact. It says AliPearl on it. And of course, a bag. Put the wig in. This is how the wig comes. This is a 5x5 18-inch lace closure wig. Just gonna unbox it here. Look at this beautiful scalp and what's going on with this wig. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wig. Okay, let's take a look at the scalp area. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut lace. Very convenient. It's already slicked down for you. And this is how it comes, a nice curl look. Okay, so I just want to get into the construction of this wig. As you can see from the lace, it is pre-bleached. The front, it is giving realness. The cap construction has combs in the front of the cap. So there are combs on either side of the straps. Here, the strap is also, you can take it out if you wanted to, if you didn't want it there, but the strap is also adjustable. And it has a comb in the back of the wig. This is a dome mesh cap, very stretchy and flexible. Mine I got in a small because I have a smaller head, but you can get it in a medium or large. And it's just beautiful. This hair has amazing shine to it. It's just absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on straight out the box. I will say I always recommend to shampoo and condition your wigs before you wear them out, but because I want to show you that you are able to wear this straight out of the pack, I'm gonna put it on my head now. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks right now, straight out the box. And it instantly melted. I didn't do anything but pop it on. Instant melt. Look at that scalp. Once again, this is a 5x5. Instant melt, y'all. Let's just make sure you see just instant melt. Beautiful. So this is a very beginner friendly wig because I just took it out the pack and put it right on. Even with these curls, it looks really, really good. The hair is very soft. It feels amazing. Like, it feels so nice. And it's pre-styled. Can I say pre-styled? Like, this is pre-styled, y'all. What? Like, it looked like somebody ran the flat iron through it, put that product on it, got it laid down flat, and then packaged it up like, okay, here you go, ladies. Here you go. Yeah, I'm loving this hair. I'm loving this hair right now. I'm just combing through it a little bit and playing with the curls, but yeah, this is everything. So I'm just going to do a little bit to it because I want this a little bit further in my face. Y'all, this hair is ready to go. This is like literally the quickest install I've ever done because it's styled. Oh my God. It was like, we are packaging this up curled. This side is a little, I'm gonna have to fix it a bit. It fell a little flat over here. But this side is like perfect. The hair is very, very full as well. This is 18 inches long. It's at 18 inches. Very full from root to tip. Like, I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that. Can we zoom in on the shine? Like, it's very shiny, bouncy, beautiful. Wow. Wow. Like instant ready to go. It's looking like I have a full frontal laid down and I literally have a 5x5 closure on. Wow. Wow. All right, y'all. So I just had to, for one, I wanted the part to be deeper. And this gets a really deep part. So beautiful. I love that. And then the other thing is, just this side, the curl had dropped. So I was just trying to fix it so that it matched the other side. This is what this wig is giving. It came pre-styled. Like, I still can't get over that. Like, they literally took the time to curl this wig, which I think is a great thing. I still would prefer to shampoo and condition my wig before I wear it, but this right here, this is the quickest install on a wig I've ever done. And I just am so in love with the pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked aspect of this wig because it's giving realness. It's beautiful. So I also did not have to add makeup to the lace. It blended seamlessly. So because these knots are bleached so well, I just popped it on and that was it. And I'm loving this hair, y'all. So of course, I'm going to put the details in the description box for this hair. And like, it's so full, thick, beautiful. Like literally a 2-minute install. It's nothing. So make sure you check this out. Thank you for tuning into Keesee's World. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next wig review because I definitely have more coming for you. And if you like this wig, go ahead and do what you need to do and click on that link in the description box because, like, what are you waiting for? I'm just saying, what are you waiting for?
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this.